Hello everyone, welcome back. So as you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm going to be tinting my eyebrows and I thought I might just show you guys how I do it. I'm going to be using the Julianne lash and brow dye kit. That's what it looks like. And what you get inside of it is a cream developer. That's what it looks like. And you get the tint and you get a little brush. So the color I'm using is the light brown. There you can see it's in the number 4. What you are going to need to do this splash tint is you're going to need some earbuds, some Vaseline and cotton wool. So the first thing is you are going to prep your eyebrows. This is how I do it. Taking the Vaseline on my finger and I'm just rubbing it all around. So this is going to help prevent your skin from staining. Just taking the other. And how you're going to mix this is you're going to mix it half and half. The color, as you can see, it's only a little bit. You only need a little bit. Just half of the cream developer, and as you can see, I just estimated. And then you are going to use an earbud, and you are just going to mix it together. So it's mixed. Now I'm just using the earbud and I'm just applying it on the hairs. Don't worry about mess ups or anything like that. That's why you put the Vaseline on. Just make sure you go onto the skin to where your eyebrows are. You're going to take your little wand and you're just going to brush it onto the hairs. Okay, so as you guys can see, it looks like a mess, but now I'm just going to clean it up a bit, and this is where you are going to need your earbuds. I'm just going to be looking in the mirror so I can see a little bit better. Okay, so here you go. You can see that I have cleaned them up nicely, and I'm going to leave them on 5 to 10 minutes. That's what they say you should leave it on for, and then I am coming back to show you guys how I take it off. So it's been 10 minutes and now I'm going to take it off. So this is where you will be using the cotton wool, and I've just got a little bit of water next to me, so I'm going to dunk it in the water, not too much, just making the tip a little bit wet, and then I'm just going to drag it all over and just basically wiping it off. And then once you've got most of the color off, you're going to take a dry cotton wool and you're just going to get all of the water off that was left, and basically the residue of the color that was left in the eyebrows. Just wiping that all off with the cotton wool. And I've washed my little brushie, so I'm just going to brush them nicely. And that is the end result. Okay, so that is it for the video today. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. If you guys like these types of videos, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. That just means you'll get notified whenever I upload a video. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye.